This is Tanya with NV Property Management. When you are a landlord, upkeep and general maintenance, including preventative maintenance, are just a small part of the property gig. However, tenants will sometimes believe that their maintenance request is the most important and is always an emergency. So, a question you might ask as a landlord is what rental maintenance issues are true emergencies and what can wait for regular business hours? True emergencies include things like fire, flood, gas leak, and sometimes electrical or heating and AC issues. Other things like backed up sewer lines or a leaking roof can also be considered an emergency. For items such as these, and especially when there is a risk for damage to your property, quick action by the landlord is required. So let's talk about a few of these emergencies. Number one is a gas leak. If a tenant complains about a gas smell, you need to respond quickly. Leaking gas could lead to major problems, plus, not all tenants are aware of how dangerous gas leaks can actually be. Most of the time, calls for a gas smell is an easy fix. There may be a loose gas connection or even a pilot light that needs to be relit. But no matter what, gas smell requires prompt attention. Call the gas company that services your property. They will give you instructions on what to do and how to handle the situation. Number two, electrical issues. Electrical issues aren't always considered emergencies. Sometimes the power will simply be out in the entire neighborhood. If that's the case, there's nothing we can do. You can, however, instruct the tenant to call the power company to notify them of the outage and to get an idea of when they plan on having the power restored. If only their property is without power, it's likely a tripped breaker. This is an easy talk to the tenant through how to check for and reset a tripped breaker over the phone. Other electrical calls like smoke coming from an outlet or melted cords are true emergencies. Shut the power off and get a hold of an electrician to diagnose the problem. Number three are flood emergencies. We've had our fair share of water emergencies at MB Property Management. Any type of flooding or watering entering the home should always be considered a true emergency. Water will typically not hurt anyone, but water can cause a lot of damage inside a property and needs to be addressed as quickly as possible. A good rule of thumb is when a tenant moves into your property, show them where the main water shutoff valve is. This way, if there's ever a water emergency, they can shut off the main water to the home. Obviously, if this is a weather-related water emergency, turning off the water to the house likely won't solve the problem. So getting to the property quickly to assess the situation and the source of the water is critical. Number four is heating and AC emergencies. A smart landlord will know the local laws regarding time allowed to respond to heating and AC related issues in their rental properties. Sometimes vendors are not able to get to your property for the repairs right away, so it's always important to have a portable AC unit and heaters on hand to provide to your tenants until the repair can be completed. For example, if the temperature drops below 50 degrees, take portable heaters to your tenants until the repair can be completed. Or if the temperature is to exceed 85 degrees, take a portable AC unit to your tenants until the repair can be completed. Again, this is just an example. Please be sure to check your local laws for how long you have to respond to heating and cooling issues at your rental property. Number five, other emergencies. There are other emergency situations at your rental property that need to be addressed in a timely manner. These include things like a backed up sewer line, leaking roof, or for other kinds of problems, communicate with your tenant your intent to have the issue resolved in the time frame you plan to have it completed. Proper contractors will need to be contacted and scheduled, and we are often subject to their time frame. Keep the tenant informed and involved with the process so they know you're taking care of the situation, even if it isn't being resolved immediately. Any other maintenance issues can usually be placed on the non-emergent maintenance schedule. Non-urgent maintenance issues include things like a broken garbage disposal, outlets not working, pest control issues, dripping faucets, appliance repair issues, and things like that. Your job as a landlord is to prioritize these requests accordingly, but still try to get them scheduled in a timely manner. Don't let a broken kitchen cabinet go for weeks on end. And always communicate with your tenants. Most tenants will be understanding if they know you're aware of the issue and are working on getting it resolved. If all of this seems too overwhelming and you want help choosing a Northern Utah property management company with years of experience, please contact us at MV Property Management. We are a wealth of information when it comes to the professional management of your investment property. Give us a call today at 801-337-4337. You can always ask us for valuable tips and extra resources to make this choice simple and painless. You can also visit our website at nvpm.com, that's envypm.com, where you can easily view our 3-tiered pricing plans so you can pick a package that best fits you and your needs. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you next time.